to the channel. Got some new and exciting things going on today. Got a couple of decals we want to add on to the car, incorporate some new things. One of the new additions here is we're going to replace this back glass, what you call it?
I don't know,
but we're replacing it with something
it's faded.
Better.
It's faded. It's turning pink. And what I didn't notice, and somebody explained it to me before, and I thought it was kind of cool, that this is the exact same picture as the one that's airbrushed under the trunk.
Yeah.
So you kind of don't need two of the same picture, since everything on the car is different anyway.
We need to
It makes sense to change it up and make it a little bit more exciting and have something different to look at. So
this will look like it might have one of the images that's on the side.
yeah.
Yep.
Stretch it out. Let's see what it look like. So that's what it should look like when we get done with it. Maybe we can take some of that ugly tape off of it and not have that on there just to hold it. Since we took, I don't know, a year, 2 years to put that on, and it kind of dried out on us.
We're not letting that happen again.
So I think that should be fine. And we can get it on there and trim around it to make it fit.
Yeah, I think that's the plan.
It might look pretty cool.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look dope. Yes.
I didn't know it had the white border, but
Yeah.
I'm kind of okay with it because looking at where the cut lines are going to be,
Yeah.
it's not going to be a whole lot of white.
No, very minimal.
Yeah, so I think
Mostly here at the bottom.
yeah, I think it'll be minimal.
Yeah.
It should be pretty cool, different. And people keep asking me if I can see out of it. You can definitely see out of it from inside of the car.
Absolutely.
And then of course we got to incorporate Wolverine now because of the crossover. With the other car, this was easy to do because the other car was basically just all wrapped in matte black with decals added to it. Since this one, the images are incorporated into the wrap, this one's going to be a little bit more difficult to incorporate these into it and it not look tacky, but I think we're just going to send it and see what happens because I think we got to figure out a way to incorporate Wolverine with the car without having to get the whole entire car rewrapped. So
Since our wrap got flaked us.
yeah, he disappeared, retired, went to Thailand or something. So we're going to figure out where we can put this and where it won't look tacky. Figure out which ones we're going to go with, the blood claws, the Wolverine, different size,
Different color.
different color claws. And then I think we'll get back once we figure it out, show you what it looks like. I don't know if the glare in the camera stopped you from being able to see, but that's what it looks like up close. Be right back. The old window decal is gone. Cleaning the window and prepping for the new one to go on.
You get over there.
I'll go over there. You can't really slide it when it's dry, you know? I know you know.
Yeah.
Still ain't look for a razor though.
I don't even know what one that. I'm not even gonna lie.
If I got one, it'd be in that drawer.
This top one?
Yeah. At the very least, we can probably use them scissors from that. Yeah. Be careful with that one. I don't know if that one locks.
Nope. Don't slide down or up either. Alright. Can you remember that towel? Prep is the most important part.
You right.
I started the corner on that side already, so it'll be a little bit easier to grab because it's kind of hard.
Okay.
You want to take it off. This is what I was thinking. Peel it off upside and put it upside down. Get it sprayed and then lay it.
Upside down.
Like we can peel it out for the thing now.
All the way.
Right.
Okay.
Because if you stand over there and I stand over there, we should be able to lay it if it's wet.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And then while we have it laid down,
Okay.
you want to do that or
Yeah.
how you want? Okay.
I think we should record this process.
No. I don't want nobody to see you get mad at me.
I'm gonna be mad at you. I can always buy another one of these.
Okay.
I can't buy another one of you. Need you to figure out how to print perforated.
It's just perforated vinyl. I can't do this kind of stuff. My machine don't print. That's what I think you get confused with. That's all it do is cut.
Well, we need to get you one that print.
I need a
I thought you bought the one from your cousin that prints.
I
What
did!
was the part you didn't?
I forgot about that shit. Ooh, did I pay her money?
$300, didn't you?
I don't remember.
I thought you did. You ain't asking me for it. You must have.
She wouldn't ask for it. That's just her. She ain't gonna ask. Alright.
I can't even tell which is the top and which the bottom now.
You can when you look at the other side.
I believe
Can you
you.
stick your two fingers like mine is?
Okay.
I want you to slide it this way.
Sticky.
Yeah, it is. I got some power wash in here
Okay.
for the soap. Motherfucker. I need to turn it. 'Cause When your wife crafts for fun, shit like this happens. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have been paying attention to that.
It's getting there though. I just want to point out, I ain't doing none of this. She did all of it. Arts and craft cricket holder. From scrapbooking to wrapping cars, I guess. I don't know if we're going to get to the other stuff tonight. We'll see. I like it.
Okay. I'm going to do the other side for you. We're all done. I'm hot, tired, but that shit look good.
Yeah, I agree. The Wolverines are done on both sides. Thinking about implementing the claw marks tomorrow.
You gotta show my shirt.
After we figure out how it gonna go. Deadpool and Wolverine, let's fucking go. So we'll be back probably. Nah, we ain't gonna show that. It's just gonna be some claw marks on there. Yeah. We just gotta figure out the claw marks just to show Wolverine trying to attack the car a little bit, just because of that cool minivan car fight scene they had in the movie. If you ain't seen the movie, go see the movie. I think that's gonna be it for a couple of weeks. unless something else pop up that we go to. But appreciate it. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
On all social media platforms, Deadpool Scat 426. We out.